Okay, so we're back sa ating paglalaro sa Dubai CTA. Kung ano man ibig sabihin nun, nakalimutan ko na.
Departure, Cargolix 162 Heavy, from Al Maktoum International Airport, passing 2,000 climbing to 3,000 feet, Romeo India Delta Alpha Papa 3 Lima. Climb to flight level 170, Cargolix 162.
So gaya ng nabanggit ko sa previous recording, um, mas preferred ko sa Dubai na yung runway configuration ay I think that was runway 12 kapag dito siya galing sa dagat papunta dito. Kasi dito, kapag ganito siya, ang daming matataas dito eh. Like this area is 5,500. And then this one is 5,500, 9,500, 4,500. Ang daming matataas. Ito nga 2,500 eh. Sige. I'm gonna close the tawag dito,
Arabia
airspace.
900 Hotel to Sharjah International Airport, we are near SJ 516. Descend to flight level 60, Arabia 900 Hotel.
May mga pinagawa ko dito kanina. Hindi ko na maalala. Ayan. Okay.
Descend to altitude 4,000 feet, Arabia 900 Hotel. Reduce 160 knots, Arabia 60 Alpha. Leave holding, cleared SJ 517 approach runway 30 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 900
Oh.
Hotel.
This is a separation incident. Kailangan wag silang magpang-abot. Otherwise, that's gonna be a problem. Ito, kakaliwa na to anytime eh. Ayan. Bilisan mo na lang, no?
Speed 230, Arabia 2 Sierra.
Emirates 2854 Super, passing 2,100 on the India Victor Uniform Romeo Oscar 1 Foxtrot departure. Stop climb at 5,000 feet, Emirates 2854.
So, si Emirates 2854, sinabihan ko siya na stop climb siya sa 5,000, altitude 5,000 kasi nasa 6,000 ito. Arabia 2 Sierra 2 Tower, have a good day.
Arabia 2 Sierra. Emirates 238, bye.
Speed 230, Arabia 900 Hotel.
So, 3,000 na siya dito.
Descend to altitude 3,000 feet, Arabia 900 Hotel.
Gusto ko siya ibaba sa 2,000 kaso I have to double check. Ito, 2,500 itong area na to. So this should be...
Descend to 2,000, and then follow the profile, Emirates 232 Delta.
Arabia 19013, climb to... Oh, sorry. Papunta pala to sa Sharjah. Oh, 6,000 feet ata. May area dito
Descend
na
to level
mataas.
60, Arabia 1913.
Okay, this... Arabia 60 Alpha, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
Descend to altitude 5,000 feet, and then follow the profile, Arabia 60 Alpha.
Arabia 1043, descend to altitude, to flight level 70.
Descend to flight level 70, Arabia 1043.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung SQP. So I'll just say Sierra Quebec Papa 878 to tower. Have a good day.
Good night, Skyup 878.
Okay, good night pala. Okay, so once na ma-clear natin lahat to, saka natin papalitan yung configuration ng runway. Actually, pwede natin silang palitan ngayon, kaso may sequencing na tayo dito eh. Pwede naman. iikot sila. Oo. Sige. Later na lang. Oop. O, di ba? Ito gusto ko na siya ibaba ng 2,000 pero ito kasi minimum is 2,500. Kaya maganda talaga pabaliktad. Dito yung pasok nila sa dagat sila manggagaling kasi yung pag-climb kasi pag departure gusto nilang mag-climb kaagad as quickly as possible, which makes sense kasi dito mataas itong area na to. Ito, handover na natin sila sa area control.
Switching, Cargolix 162. Emirates 6022, established 30 Al Maktoum International Airport.
Hindi ko ito napansin ha. Buti na lang may 1,000 feet vertical separation sila. Emirates 6022 to tower, have a good day.
Thanks, Emirates 6022.
Arabia 60 Alpha, descend to altitude 3,000 feet. Altitude 4,000 feet.
Descend to 4,000, and then follow the profile, Arabia 60 Alpha.
Itong dalawang to, pwede na itong may land lang natin itong dalawang to, tsaka to. I think we will be fine. So, ito, dahil 7,000 siya, ang alam ko pa ganun to eh. Sige, so, pag-hold din natin tong dalawang to, diyan ka lang, direct ka lang dyan. At
Cancel approach clearance, direct to UCTAD, Arabia 1913.
Cancel approach clearance, direct SJ510, Arabia 1043.
Ito, climb, Emirates 2854, climb to flight level 170.
Climb to flight level 170, Emirates 2854.
Emirates 232 Delta to tower, have a good day.
Thank you, Emirates 232 Delta.
Pwede kayang baliktarin yung runway configuration kahit may nagla-landing. Never ko pang na-try, pero we'll see. Sky Dubai 724, descend to altitude 3,000 feet, direct to SEDPO, and follow the profile.
Descend to altitude 3,000 feet, proceed direct SEDPO, Sky Dubai 724.
Oh. No, you're
We will
gonna
enter a
hold.
hold,
Yes.
Arabia 1043.
Thank you. Okay, nandun na siya. This one will go here. Hindi niya kaya. Dito tayo.
Cleared for the all-dot approach for runway 30 left, Sky Dubai 724.
Ulbot siya, ulbot. Oh, kasi kung dito, kaya niya. Hindi eh, andito eh. Oh. Oo, hindi kaya. Kasi dito yung 3,000
Reducing 160,
feet.
Sky Dubai 724.
Arabia 600 Hotel to tower, have a good day.
Tower, Arabia 900 Hotel.
Arabia 60 Alpha, descend to altitude 3,000 feet. No. Yes.
Descend altitude 3,000 feet, Arabia 60 Alpha.
Nice. So, mag-hold, dalawang aeroplano lang i-hold natin. Ayan. Tapos, switch na natin yung configuration ng runway. Sky Dubai 724. How are you doing today?
Arabia 1913 to Sharjah International Airport, we are near UCTAD.
Arabia 1913, hold position.
Arabia 1913.
Arabia 60 Alpha, descend to altitude 2,000 feet.
Descend to altitude 2,000 feet, and then follow the profile, Arabia 60 Alpha.
Sky Dubai 724, descend to altitude 2,000 feet and follow the profile.
Descend to 2,000 feet, and then follow the profile, Sky Dubai 724.
Nakailang ikot na to? Mag-iisa pa lang. Okay, ito. Ikot-ikot lang din siya. This one is going up to, nasa 12,000 feet na siya. Na-instruct siya to go to 7,000 feet. Facing siya pa ganon kasi yun yung direction niya talaga dito. Actual direction yan. And then this one, Arabia 19013, nasa 6,000 feet siya. Ito yung 060. And then, in-instructan siya to maintain 6,000 feet, yung 060. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So, hintayin na lang natin tong dalawa. Skydubai 724 to tower. Have a good day.
Tower, Skydubai 724.
Pag ito na handover ko na sa tower, i-switch ko na yung configuration and we'll see kung no, hindi ko siya, hihintayin ko talaga bago ko i-switch kasi baka mamaya mag go around. Oo. So let's finish everyone, makapag-land sila bago natin i-switch yung runway configuration. I'm not sure in real life kung ganon. Let me check sa Gemini. Hey Gemini, in real life, if an air traffic controller will change the runway configuration, do they close the entire airspace or no?
No, they don't close the entire airspace. Air traffic controllers can manage the flow of planes in and out of the airport even while changing the runway configuration. They'll use different procedures and communicate with pilots to keep things safe and organized. It's a pretty complex process, but they're trained to handle it.
So if there's an aircraft that's already landing and it was already handed over to the tower, can they switch the runway configuration?
That's a good question.
Emirates
It's unlikely they
2854.
would switch the
Good
runway
night.
configuration at that exact moment. They'd probably wait until the landing aircraft has cleared the runway to avoid any potential conflicts or go-arounds.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. Go around. Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you, Gemini. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Have a great day too.
Okay, so Gemini says he's not sure. They may wait for an aircraft to clear the runway before they switch the runway configuration to avoid go around. So we will wait until this will land, which is already going down. He's now at 1,800 feet. This one is at 2,000. Arabia 60 Alpha to tower. Have a good day.
Tower, Arabia 60 Alpha.
I should have increased his speed before handing him over. I think I can increase the speed, but I want to keep it at ×1. I want it to be as realistic as possible. So, you know what? Let's keep the traffic flowing, and let's just accept 5 and 5. No departure for now. Let's accept arrivals first. Yeah, 5 arrivals, and if we have everything, if we have 5 already, then we can add another 5. Yeah, no takeoffs for now. No takeoffs. Arabia 19013, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
Descend to altitude 4,000 feet. Arabia 1913.
Arabia 1043, descend to altitude 5,000 feet.
Descend to altitude 5,000 feet. Arabia 1043.
Actually, I think I'd want this to be in 3,000 and this in 4,000. So Arabia 19013, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Descend to 3,000 feet. Arabia 1913.
Arabia 1043, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
Descend to 4,000 feet. Arabia 1043.
Okay, so let's see. This is just 50 feet from sea level, so he's already good. This is 200 feet, so he's very close. And then we will switch the runway configuration, and once we switched, then we let these people continue. We will find their best profile where we can send them to waypoint. Okay, traffic. Let's increase the flow of arrivals. I think we're good to accept some. And then let's this one is arriving. Okay, this if he's going to
Departure, Arabia 35 Uniform Papa, outbound Sharjah International Airport, leveling off at 2000, Mike
What?
India Romeo Oscar Tango
we
2
have
Romeo
one departure. Expedite climb to 170, Arabia 35 Uniform Papa.
Expedite climb flight level 170, Arabia 35 Uniform Papa.
Sky Dubai 78, descend to altitude 6,000 feet.
Descend to 60, Sky Dubai 78.
Arabia 35 Uniform Papa, stop climbing at 5,000 feet.
Altitude 5000, Arabia 35 Uniform Papa.
This is gonna complicate things. Yeah. Because we're gonna need this. This one is going to do like this. I think so. Okay. Anyway. Oh, I didn't notice this. Good thing they are separated. Sky Dubai 78, direct to Lovok.
Cancel approach clearance, direct Lubbock, Sky Dubai 78.
Yeah, he's gonna have to stay there for now. Okay, this is about to land. This would be handed over to ground control soon. Kailang ikot na rin siya. Yeah. Konting tiis na lang, guys. Just a little bit more. Okay, Arabia 350 uniform, 35 uniform Papa, expedite climb to flight level 170.
Expedite climb to flight level 170, Arabia 35 Uniform Papa.
It's really risky. You know what?
Climb to 100, Sky Dubai 78.
Yeah.
Copied, Sky Dubai 78.
He has to maintain 10,000 here, and this can reach 17,000 here. So that should be okay. This is 7 and this is 4. Okay, so 7,600 and 4,000. Okay, so we're good with that. This I want to bring him down to 2,000. Arabia 19er 13, descend to altitude 2,000 feet.
Descend to 2,000 feet.
It's risky.
Arabia 19er
This is
13.
going around. If there's going to be a takeoff, then it's gonna be a problem. Okay, so we're good. All runways, wala nang naglaland. So we're gonna switch the runway configuration to number 1. Alright, so lahat ng arrival would be here from the sea going here. Tapos lahat ng departure ay papunta dito. This is what I prefer. Okay, so Arabia 19er 13, tanggalin mo na yung pag-hold mo dyan. At no, actually, hold on. Sorry. What just happened? Okay, so let's bring them down. Tanggalin mo na yung hold and you go here. Nope, direct. Tanggalin natin direct. This has to go there. Okay.
Roger, leave holding, following the transition, cleared SJ417 approach to 12 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 1043.
And
Descend
this
to altitude 3,000 feet,
leave holding.
Arabia 1043.
You can also go like that.
Leave holding, cleared for the Sobun approach to 12 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 19er 13.
Cleared for the SJ417 approach for runway 12 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 1043.
So they're on their way to land now. And then this, Sky Dubai 78, descend to altitude 6,000 feet.
Descend to 60, Sky Dubai 78.
He's gonna go here, so I'm gonna ask him to go like, they go like, I forgot, okay, let's see. Okay, nope.
Arabia 35 Uniform Papa, bye.
Arabia 35 Uniform Papa, have a good day. Arabia 1043. How are
Approach, Arabia 111 Tango, to Sharjah International Airport, at speed 230. Roger,
Oh, he's still
Arabia
going
111 Tango.
there. Oh, he has to go like this. And 7,000.
Cancel approach clearance, direct to SJ415, descend to flight level 70, speed 190, Arabia 111 Tango.
Yun ang
Cleared
inaalala ko.
SJ415 approach 12 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 111
Kung
Tango.
lahat ng mga darating na eroplano ngayon ay hindi pa rin masunod ito, then that's gonna be a problem. Tulad nito, saan to pupunta? Skydivine 78, leave hold, direct to, where am I gonna direct you? Dito, oo.
Leave holding, cleared for the DV429 approach to runway 12 left, Sky Dubai 78.
Oo, tama, ganito nga. Then this one, he can go here, but I prefer that he goes there. Let's hope that this will recognize the new runway configuration now. Otherwise, we would have to create a new game, which doesn't make sense. Gonna have to increase traffic soon. Arabia 111 Tango, descend to altitude 6,000 feet.
Descend to flight level 60, Arabia 111 Tango.
Okay, this found the right way for takeoff, so
Climb to level 170, Sky
looks
Dubai
like we're
40.
doing good now. This is 5,500. Kaya dito sila dumaraan. I think you can go like this.
Proceed direct Pasafe, Sky Dubai 78.
Arabia 391, to Sharjah International Airport, Weather Echo.
Okay, he also found the right path. Okay, so we're good. Arabia 3901, descend to altitude, descend to flight level 80.
Descend to flight level 80, reducing 200, Arabia 3901.
To tower.
Arabia 1043.
Climb to flight level 170, Arabia 762 November. Expedite climb to flight level 170, Arabia 762 November.
Descend to flight level 70, speed 190, Gulf Air 4902.
Descend to altitude 4,000 feet, Arabia 111 Tango. Descend to altitude 4,000 feet, Sky Dubai 78.
So this is gonna stay at 8,000 until he passes this one. Kasi yung mga nagte-take off dito, tulad nito. See? So, pag nandito siya, dapat nasa 8,000 pa siya. 7,000 is fine, but ideally 8,000. Saka natin sila pababayin unti-unti. Kasi, pag may take off, sa ilalim ito. And then sa ibabaw yung nag-approach. This can go here.
Proceed direct Bomiv, Arabia 19
Hindi mo na
13.
kailangang umikot pa ganun. Sige, dumiretso ka na dito. Kasi, nasa 2,000 feet na siya eh. this is the minimum distance from the runway for 2,000 feet. Dito ko siya pinapapunta, which means pag 3,000 feet dito, 2,000 feet as close as this. Pero kung mas malayo, naka 2,000 ka na, that's also okay kasi ma-intercept pa rin niya yung glide slope. Sky Dubai 78, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Descend to 3,000 feet, and then follow the profile, Sky Dubai 78.
This one I'm gonna bring him to 6,000 kasi 5,500
Descend
ang
flight level
minimum.
60, Gulf Air 492.
So I asked him to descend to 6,000 feet and I want him to maintain 6,000 feet hanggang nandito siya. Tapos pagpunta niya na dito, 5,000, 4,000.
Departure,
Ganun.
Emirates 906 Zulu Heavy, outbound Al Maktoum International Airport, passing 2,000 climbing to 3,000 feet, Echo Mike Echo Romeo Uniform 3 Juliet departure. Climb to flight level 170, Emirates 906 Zulu.
Nag-iingat ako sa mga dumarating dito kasi nadali ako ng separation incident somewhere dito eh. Tapos yung isang nag-take off na dito dumaan, hindi maintain flight level 50 yata yon. Nakalimutan ko, napabayaan ko, hindi ko alam, hindi ko napansin 6,500 pala dito. So na ano rin ako dito. Nayari din ako doon. Oh. Okay, that was accidental. Okay, so dahil takot tayo sa ayoko talaga ng separation incident. What? I already have 2 separation incidents in this game? Okay, that's fine. Increase traffic na natin kasi this is super slow. Let's make it 10-10. Yan, uulanin na tayo ngayon ng ano. Ayan, 4,000 ka na. Ayan.
Descend to altitude 4,000 feet, proceed direct Pasafe, Gulf Air 492. Descend altitude 4,000 feet, and then follow the profile, proceed direct DB 416, Gulf Air 492.
Sky Dubai 78, descend to altitude 2,000 feet.
Descend to altitude 2,000, Sky Dubai 78.
Arabia 19er13 to tower, have a good day.
Good night, Arabia
Good night
19er13.
pala. Ay, oo, gabi pala yan.
Arabia 762 November.
System
Bye.
time pala to. Okay, sige. This one can go straight dito. So Arabia 111 Tango, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Cancel approach clearance, descend to 3,000, direct to Rudy's, Arabia 111 Tango. Descend to 3,000 feet, following the transition, cleared Rudy's approach to runway 12 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 111 Tango.
Descend to altitude 3,000, Gulf Air 492.
Arabia 39er1, descend to altitude 7,000 feet.
Descend to flight level 70, and then follow the profile, Arabia 39er1. Sky Dubai 40, bye.
Sky Dubai 40, have a good night. Fly Dubai 78 to tower, have a good day.
Number
Have a good
1,
night.
Sky Dubai 78.
So, para sa bago pa lang, this is Gulf Air. So, GFA is Gulf Air. Flight number 492. Ang tawag sa kanya ay Gulf Air. Yun yung call sign niya. Yung 057, I
Emirates
think.
893 Uniform Heavy, outbound Al Maktoum International Airport, passing 2,400 climbing to 3,000
Meron tayong
feet,
takeoff.
November Oscar Lima Sierra Uniform 3 Juliet departure.
I will ask him to expedite climb kasi
Expedite
baka
climb to level 170, Emirates 893
hindi siya
Uniform.
umabot ng 5,000 feet dito. But I think he can. Kaya siya gumanon. Anyway, 5,100 feet siya ngayon. Ang instruction ko is baba siya sa 3,000 feet. Yun yung 030. Pupunta siya sa Al Maktoum, yung nandun sa ibaba. So I'm gonna keep him at 10,000 feet. Tapos yung speed, I'll keep it like that for now.
Descend level 100, Emirates 139er0.
So, babantayan natin to kapag may take off dito. Pero bihira yan. Pag umalis sila dito, nag-take off dito, tapos umakyat pa ganun. So, babantayan natin to. Pero I'm keeping his speed right now. Grabe, ang bilis niya. Kasi nasa 10,000 feet siya, 15,000. 297 yung instruction ko. Maintain mo yung 297, pero ang speed niya talaga, actual speed niya, ground speed is 368 kasi yung hangin. Pag ganun. And this 8 knots is at 3,000 feet. So pag nasa mas mataas kang altitude, mas mataas pa yung yung actual speed, yung speed ng hangin. And so baba na siya sa 2,000, tapos okay lang yan.
Descend to 2,000 feet, Gulf Air 4902.
Kaya ko siya in-instruct to maintain 190 kilometers per hour, or yung knots, 190 knots, ay dahil
Skyjabai
yung actual
700.
ground speed niya is 207. Kasi nga, pag ano
Arabia
yung hangin.
40 Bravo, outbound Sharjah International Airport, Panpan, Panpan,
Oh,
Panpan.
oh
We
no.
have an engine failure, leveling off at 2,000 feet. Request
Okay.
vectors back to the airport.
Sige, sige. Sharjah, no? Engine failure. So, hindi niya pa kayang nito. Hindi pa niya kayang mag-land. Dito ka lang muna. Ikot ka lang muna
Direct
dyan.
to SJ422, Arabia 40 Bravo.
Not ready for approach yan. O, ganyan talaga kapag may emergency. Engine failure. I'm thinking na ilagay ko siya siguro doon. Sige, dito ka na lang. 2,000 feet ka dyan. Oo.
Direct SJ413,
Malayo to.
Arabia 40 Bravo.
Baka nga dito ko siya pababain eh. Dito ka na lang. Dito ka na lang. Ayan.
Direct Ovaka, Arabia 40 Bravo.
Okay ka. Or Tadpi. Kasi pag nag-ikot siya dito, baka matamaan na dito pag bumaba.
Departure, Skyjabai 280, passing 16 climbing 4,000 feet, Sierra Echo November Papa Alpha 3 Golf. Descend to flight level 90, reduce 200 knots, Skyjabai 700. Climb to flight level 170, Skyjabai 280.
So this is the first.
Descend to altitude 4,000 feet, Arabia 3901.
This is the first emergency na nangyari sa game na ito.
Emirates 906 Zulu, switching.
So we're gonna keep the traffic like this, 10-10 for now. Kasi ayokong dumami pa. Nababahala ako, natataranta ako kaagad. And his request is to go back. Actually, kahit saang airport naman to siya pumunta, pwede eh. Ang layo nito. Dito ko na lang kaya siya pababain. Kaso dito yung 2,000 feet eh. Malayo. Sige, tama lang yun. Go around ka na lang dito. Or kay Rudy's. Pwede rin sa Rudy's. Okay, sige. So this one, Gulf Air 4902 to Tower. Have a good day.
Thanks, Gulf Air 4902.
Malayo siya. Hinand over ko na kasi wala naman siyang kasunod. This is slowing
Emirates
down now.
8903 uniform, switching.
Kung maalala natin kanina, ang ground speed nito ay 360. Pero nasa 15,000 feet siya kanina. Pero ngayon kasi nasa 10,700 feet na lang. 215 na lang. Mas mababa, mas mahina na kasi yung hangin sa itaas. Ayan. Tapos, nadali ako ng separation incident ng ganito, yung galing dito sa itaas. Nung nagpababa ako ng aircraft dito ng 5,000 feet. So this one, I'm gonna ask him to descend to flight level 70. It's fine. Actually, make it make it 9,000 for now.
Descend to level 90,
Para hindi niya
Emirates
maabutan to.
1390.
Ready ka na ba? Engine failure ka pa rin eh. Hindi ka pa pwede mag-land. Mag-ikot-ikot ka muna dyan.
Hello, Emirates 244 Sierra Heavy, passing 2,500 climbing to 4,000 feet, Sierra Echo November Papa Alpha 3 Golf departure. Arabia 40 Bravo, we can start the approach now. Direct to SJ413, Arabia 40 Bravo.
Pwede na daw siya mag ano.
Approach, Arabia 688, to Sharjah International Airport. Maintain 4000, Emirates 244 Sierra.
Pwede na daw
Climb to
siya
flight
mag
level
ano.
60,
Mag-land.
Emirates 244 Sierra.
Bakit wala ba?
Cleared Soban approach to runway 12 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 40 Bravo.
Wala. Hindi na kaya. Okay. Dapat sasabihin ito ready to ano eh. Ready na mag-land. Ganon.
Descend to 3,000 feet, and then follow the profile, Arabia 391.
Descend to flight level 100, and then follow the profile, reducing 210, Emirates 0433. Descend to altitude 5,000 feet, Skyjabai 700. Descend to level 80, and then follow the profile, reducing 180, Arabia 688.
Safe ba to? Okay, hanggang 6,000 lang siya. Kahit mag 8,000 ka, okay lang.
Climb to flight level 80, Emirates 244 Sierra.
Nasa 9,000 naman to eh. Okay, pwede ka lang sumingit dito. I think you can do that now. 2,000 yan. Oh, nope. Dito ka. Hindi, sige, tumuli ka na dun.
Proceed direct Obaka.
Huwag na
Arabia
natin
40
pahirapan
Bravo.
sarili natin. Tamaas ka
Descend
muna
2,000 feet,
3,000.
Arabia 391.
Oo.
Climb
Gusto
to
ko siyang
altitude
isingit sana
3,000
dito.
feet, and then
Kaso,
continue on the profile,
hindi ko matansya
Arabia
to
40 Bravo. Arabia 111 Tango, good night.
Good night. Okay.
Airblue 6907 November, outbound Sharjah International Airport, Delta Alpha Victor Mike Oscar for Quebec departure, passing 1,600 climbing to 3,000 feet. Descend to level 60, Arabia 688. Climb to level 170, Airblue 6907 November.
Bilis naman nila magpalipad.
Climb to 60, Emirates 84 Echo. Climb to flight level 70, Emirates 84 Echo. Descend to flight level 80, Emirates 0433. Descend to flight level 80, speed 210 knots, Arabia 594.
At sila dito daw ano, ito ano, ba international? Magpalipad. Okay, so papunta to ng Europe, Ito naman, papunta siya ng Africa. Ito galing siya ng Africa, baka Egypt or Africa. Uy, 6,000 feet, 5,000 ito. So that's
Skyjabai 280, bye.
Oo, dito talaga daan yan. Ito may engine failure, kaya niya na yan. Diba? So naka 3,000 siya, 2,000, so we're good. Okay na yung pan.
Emirates 244 Sierra, we're maintaining level 80.
Yeah, Emirates 244 Sierra, climb to flight level 170.
Climb to flight level 170, Emirates 244 Sierra.
Ito pwede na rin siyang mag-climb.
Climb to flight level 170, Emirates 84 Echo.
Emirates 13900, descend to altitude 7,000 feet.
Descend to flight level 70, Emirates 13900.
Emirates 0433, descend to flight level 70.
Descend to flight level 70, and then follow the profile, Emirates 0433.
Increase 190 knots, Arabia 391.
Speed 190, Arabia 40 Bravo.
$6,500 to, so kahit 7,000.
Descend level 70, and then follow the profile,
Hindi
Arabia
rin naman
594.
tatamaan. So, yun yung wind natin, guys. Ganito yan ah. Kung makikita niyo yung eroplano, meron siyang 203 dito tsaka 190. So, instruction ko sa kanya is to maintain 190. nabanggit ko na ba to kanina? Parang hindi ko sure, no? Pero dahil ano siya, downwind yata tawag dito, yung direction niya is same with the direction ng wind. So, ang lipad niya sa hangin is 190 knots. Pero yung actual
Arabia
ground
485
speed
Hotel,
is
from
203
Sharjah
kasi
International
naitutulak
Airport,
siya.
passing 19er climbing to 3000, India Victor Uniform Romeo Oscar 1 Quebec. Maintain 3000 feet, Arabia 485 Hotel.
Pwede ka hanggang 6,000.
Climb to flight level 60, Arabia 485 Hotel.
8,000.
Stop descent at level 80, Arabia 594. Climb to level 70, Arabia 485 Hotel.
Okay, so ang ginawa ko dito, pinatigil ko siyang mag-descend sa 8,000 lang para ito, abot siya ng 7,000. Kasi baka makalimutan ko, kung 6,000 lang siya, pagdating niya dito, kailangan 6,500 na. Pag nakalimutan ko, incident yan. Separation incident.
Red Angle 637 Lima, to Al Maktoum International Airport, at
So,
flight level 120.
Mas preferred ko na nasa 7,000 feet na siya para kahit mapabayaan ko, safe tayo. This one has to stay at 9,000 for now.
Descent flight level 900, speed 190 knots, Emirates 577. Descent to flight level 60, Arabia 594. Descent to flight level 70, Arabia 594. Descent to flight level 80, Emirates 577.
Oh, hold on. 10,000, 13,000. Expedite climb ka nga.
Expedite climb, Air Blue 697 November.
Ano tayong problema dito?
Descend to flight level 900, and then follow the profile, reducing 200, red angle 637 Lima.
Oh, red angle.
Descend to altitude 3,000 feet, Emirates
Kahit
1390.
6,000, okay lang din.
Descend to flight level 60, and then follow the profile, red
Tatandaan
angle
natin to, ha?
637 Lima.
Arabia
Si
391, bye.
Arabia 40 Bravo. Tatandaan natin to kasi mamaya magte-take off ulit yan. So, Arabia 40 Bravo. Ayan, mamaya magte-take off yan.
Descend to 3,000 feet, and then follow the profile, proceed direct redirect.
Hindi ko na
Satisfy
siya
700.
hindi ko na siya pinaikot doon kasi wala namang ibang gagamit ng ano. Wala namang magla-landing.
Departure,
So, sabi ko sige
Skydubai
tumuloy ka
907
na.
Sierra, out of 2,400 climbing 4,000 feet, Kilo Uniform Tango Lima India 4 Golf departure. Climb to flight level 170, Skydubai 907 Sierra.
Ay, oh. Oh. So, pwede ka nang umakyat ng... Nope. Not now. Pinababa ko na siya sa 6,000
Descend to flight level 60, Arabia 594.
para mapababa ko na rin to ng 7,000. Kung sakaling may mag-take off man, I'll make sure na hanggang
Arabia
5,000.
485 Hotel, request further climb.
Arabia 485 Hotel, climb to flight level 170.
Climb to level 170, Arabia 485 Hotel.
Yan. So, yun guys, bago pa ako sa Endless ATC, actually 80 hours na ako naglalaro nito, pero kalahati nun ay years ago na at hindi pa ako nagseryoso na maglaro noon. Ngayon gusto ko na siyang seryosohin kasi yung mga kasama ko dito sa apartment ay mga pilots. Dalawa at hanga sila, natutuwa sila sa game. So, naisip ko, natuwa din ako sa game. Ayan, kaya nilalaro ko siya. Pero dinadahan-dahan ko kasi gusto ko siyang laruin as realistic as possible. Pero alam ko, yung sa traffic, hindi siya realistic kasi sa totoong buhay, kapag busy, abot sila ng hanggang 120 flow per hour. Like every 30 seconds may nagla-land, every 1 minute may nagla-land, may nagta-take off. Ganon ka busy. Ganon kapag busy talaga pag peak hours, peak season. Yun yung napanood ko sa documentary sa Amsterdam. Pero syempre, ayoko naman na lahat gulo-gulo, mayroong mga separation incident kasi hindi yun nangyari sa totoong buhay. So I prefer na yung traffic mababa for now hanggang masanay ako. Tapos unti-untiin ko siya. Ang target ko is to be able to maintain 15-15 um, in the next few hours or few sessions. Kasi nung recently, ang huli kong traffic ay 15-10. And medyo nagkaroon ako ng dalawang separation incident na magkasunod kagad. And I hate seeing separation incidents. Gusto ko na yung elapsed time ko ay let's say abot na siya ng 10 hours, no? Tuloy-tuloy na 10 hours yung game. Pero yung separation incident is minimal lang. Ayan. And yung last game ko ay meron akong may isandaan dito. I think 119, 120, something like that na landings and take-offs. Pero meron naman akong 8 separation incidents. So, nirestart ko na siya. Ayan. Tapos, nasa 5 hours na yata dito yon. Ayan. Pero ngayon, gusto ko siyang dahan-dahanin lang.
Descend to altitude 5,000 feet. Emirates 0433.
Para
Descend altitude
relax
2,000
lang.
feet. Skyjabai 700.
This doesn't look good. Yeah, so gonna have to speed up. 4,000 feet ka na, and
Descend to 4,000 feet. Emirates 0433. Descend to flight level 70. Emirates 577.
So
Descend
ito,
to altitude 3,000 feet. Emirates 0433.
ang plano ko ito, isi-shortcut ko na siya dito mamaya. Tapos yung isa, yung galing dito kanina, yung nandyan, tuloy-tuloy muna siya. Ayan. Ganun yung gagawin natin. Dalawa to. Ito yung isa naglaland. Ayan, no? Okay. So, pwede ka na sa 6,000 feet.
Descend to 60, and then follow the profile. Emirates 577.
Okay. Nakakantok na game, pero
Descend to 2,000
nakaka-relax.
feet. Emirates 139er0.
Kasi hindi ka tawag dito, hindi ka stressed. Nakaka-stress kapag ang dami. Pero mas na-stress ako kapag yung mga racing games. Na-stress ako doon kasi pag natatalo, uulit ka na naman. Unlike dito, mas stress ka man, pwede mong i-resolve. Tapos pag na-resolve mo na, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung game mo. Unlike sa racing game, pag natalo ka, stress ka. Tapos na yun, new game ka na kagad. Yan, sa mga FPS, first person shooting game, nakaka-stress din yon kasi para sa akin kasi pag natatalo ka, mas magaling mga kalaban mo. Tawag dito, pag mas magaling sila sa'yo, may stress ka hanggang sa mag-give up ka or lilipat ka ng ibang server, yung mga ganon. So, kapag gusto ko talaga mag-chill, mag-relax, I see this game relaxing. Parang yung Euro Truck Simulator. Driving game siya pero hindi siya pang-karera. Ayan. So, ganun din ito.
Descend to altitude 5,000 feet. Emirates 577. Descend to altitude 4,000 feet, and then follow the profile. Arabia 594.
Pwede ko na itong padiretsuhin eh. Ayan. Sige, tumuloy ka lang.
Descend to 3,000 feet, and then follow the profile. Cleared for the Rudy's approach to 12 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 594. Speed 170 knots, Arabia 688. Descend to altitude 3,000, increasing 230, cleared Rudy's approach 12 Sharjah International Airport, Arabia 594. Descend to flight level 80, reducing 210, Skyjabai 17.
Ito, paparating sa Sharjah, 14,000 feet. So, i-handover na yan sa akin ng area control. Ang most likely nandaan yan, yung dinaanan nito. So, gaganito rin yan. Mauna to, kesa doon. I think ito yung mauna bago ito. Medyo risky itong dalawang to. Kaya pinapababa ko na siya. Pag pwede na akong magpababa sa kanya ng 2,000, ibababa ko na yan. Tapos ito unti-unti pa. I-maintain ko yung may 1,000 feet silang separation vertical separation. Arabia 14 Alpha Whiskey, reduce speed 210 knots, descend to altitude 9,000 feet.
Descend to flight level 900, reduce 210 knots, Arabia 14 Alpha Whiskey.
Ito, pwede kang bumaba ng 7,000.
Descend flight level 70,
Tama ba?
Skyjaby 17.
3,000 to eh. Ito, 5,000. Oh. Uy. Mataas na to, 23,000. So this one can go to
Number 1, Emirates 1390.
Grabe no, yung Dubai napaka-busy niya pero dalawang runway lang pala to. Akala ko complex siya, like merong 4 or 5 runways. Tapos dito yung Abu Dhabi.
Proceed direct Bombov, Arabia 5904. Descend 2000, proceed direct Bombov, Arabia 5904. Descend to altitude 3000 feet, and then follow the profile, Arabia 688. Speed 220, Arabia 5904.
So hanggang 3,000, pagdating yan dito 3,000 pa rin siya. This will have to, okay, sige.
Climb to
I
flight
think
level 170,
malapit
Arabia
lapit.
839er.
Expedite climb ka na lang.
Expedite climb, Arabia 839er.
Tapos ito 7,000. Okay, kahit pala 6,000. Banda dito lang yung 6,000. Oh.
Descend to level 60,
So,
and then follow the profile, Arabia 14 Alpha Whiskey.
You know what? Stop descend at flight level 70.
Descend to flight level 70, Arabia 14 Alpha Whiskey.
So we have 8 planes in control. Soon we will ask for more. Kasi ang traffic natin ngayon is 10-10. Usually ang maximum na na-encounter ko ay mga 15 na planes. So this is the low yung behavior kasi ng game na ito, meron siyang up and down. May peak hour, not peak hour, off peak, mga ganon. Tumataas bumababa yung traffic dito. So sa ngayon relax pa siya.
Departure, Emirates 1910 Heavy, November Alpha Bravo India X-Ray 3 Golf Departure, passing 2,300,
Unti-unti na
climbing
yan
to 4,000.
dadami. O yan o, 10 na.
Climb to 170, Emirates 1910. Climb to level 170, quality 2274.
17,000. Okay, that's fine. This one is also fine. Pareho silang 7,000 pero horizontally separated naman sila. This one can go down to 5,000 pero mamaya na kasi yung ibang nagte-take off dito dumaraan eh. So 6,000 ko muna para pag may mag-take off dito na gustong bumaba dito, sa ilalim sila dito. Itong dalawa, ang layo na lang naikot. I'll let them continue.
Descend to altitude
Kasi
2000
nandyan na
feet,
rin.
Emirates 0433. Descend to 4000 feet, and then follow the profile, Emirates 577. Descend to flight level 60, speed 210 knots, Arabia 69er 1. Speed 220, Arabia 59er 4. Arabia 59er 4.
So, hinandover ko na siya sa tower, pero nasa 2,000 feet pa rin siya. Yun yung 020. Kapag bumaba na yan, pababain ko na rin to. But for now, you'll stay at 3,000 feet. Kasi pag sabihin ko siyang magbumaba ng 2,000, at ito nag-maintain ng 2,000, at nagpang-abot sila, that's less than 1,000. That's a separation incident. So, you're gonna stay at 3,000 hanggang sa nag-start na itong mag-descend. Pag nag-start na ng bumaba, tuloy-tuloy na yun, pwede ka na rin instruct na bumaba. And then after 5 seconds, saka siya mag-react. Yan. Ito pwede ito bumaba sa 3,000 kasi
Descend
2,000
to
na
altitude
ito.
3,000 feet, Emirates 577.
Okay, so 54 minutes na yung video natin. I think I'm gonna stop for now. everything is clear. So nag-start tayo kanina na yung runway configuration ay number 2, which is lahat ng approach ay nandito galing sa sa southeast yung arrival. Tapos departure is
Departure,
papunta dito.
Arabia 77, outbound Sharjah International Airport, passing 1,900 climbing to 3,000, Kilo Uniform Tango Lima India 3 Quebec departure. Climb to flight level 60, Arabia 77. Arabia 839er, bye.
And then sinwitch natin yung runway configuration, pero kinlose ko muna yung airspace para walang go around kasi may mga naglaland kanina. Inubos ko muna yun kasi baka pag sinwitch ko yung runway configuration bigla siyang mag-go around. So yun yung ginawa natin, kinlose natin yung airspace for a while. Nung lahat nakapag-land na, may iniwan tayong dalawang aircraft na nag-hold position sa dalawang waypoints. I think it was, one was here or somewhere. Rudy's at saka Sobun. Ayan. Yung dalawang yun na lang yung hinold position ko muna sila bago ako nag-switch ng runway configuration. Tapos nung na-switch ko na yung runway configuration na ganito, saka ko na sila dinirect ng papunta sa sa approach. Yan. So it was nice, it was calm kasi nga ang traffic flow natin ay 10-10 lang. Kanina 10-5 yan, 5-5 pa nga yata. So ayun. Pero eventually in the next few games I will increase this. Siguro 15-10 and then 15-15 tapos 20-15
passing
mga
2-1 climbing to 4,000 feet, Romeo India Delta Alpha Papa 3 Golf. Climb to level 170, Skyjabai 32 Mike.
So ganun yung target natin.
Emirates 1910.
Ito yung sabi ko guys. So 7,000 siya, yung approach, yung papunta doon, maintain siya ng 7,000 para kung may take off tulad nito, climb lang siya hanggang 6,000. Ayan. So wala silang separation incident. Now I can ask him to expedite climb to flight level 170. Actually, hindi muna. Sorry. Kasi
Expedite climb, Arabia 77.
Ito na lang at 6,000 pa rin kasi ayan ayan. Pero expedite climb ko siya kasi ito ay 7,000. Although hindi niya naman dadaanan pero gaganon siya. Let's make it
normal
like
rate
that.
and climb to flight level 170,
This is
Arabia
risky,
77.
so I'm gonna ask you to climb to 9,000 lang.
Climb to flight level 90, Arabia 77.
This can go down to 5,000.
Descend to altitude 5,000 feet, Arabia 14 Alpha Whiskey.
And this has to go until 10,000 lang muna.
Descend to flight level 100, reduce 180 knots, Emirates 923. Thanks, Arabia 688. Descend to 3,000, and then follow the profile, Arabia 14 Alpha Whiskey. Descend to altitude 4,000 feet, Arabia 69er1.
Pag allowed na akong ipapabain siya ng 2,000, papabain ko na siya. Tapos, mauna to bago ito. Ayan, kasi mas malayo yan. Ilan na lang to. 6.7 nautical miles. Tapos, ito naman is malayo pa.
Emirates 1910. Switching.
Pag naglampasan na sila, I'll ask him to expedite climb to flight level 170. Ito, expedite climb ka na. Para wala tayong
Expedite
problema.
climb, Skyjabai 32 Mike. Descend to altitude 3,000 feet, and then follow the profile, red angle 637 Lima. Expedite climb to level 170,
Expedite climb ka rin.
challenge 2 Delta.
Kasi baka hindi niya abutin ng 5,500 dito, mayari pa
Quality
tayo.
2274. Bye.
Bye-bye. Although, syempre, kaya siya gumanon, tapos bumalik, kasi sapat, kaya niyang umakyat. Pero just in case lang, no? Panigurado lang. Fly Dubai 817, flight level 60.
Descend flight level 60, and then follow the profile, Skyjabai 17. Arabia 757, to Sharjah International Airport, at speed 230. Descend to flight level 90, Emirates 923. Expedite climb to level 170, Arabia 77. Descend to level 80, and then follow the profile, Emirates 923.
Sige, oo. Ano na? Umabot na tayo ng isang oras. So, I'm gonna close this game. Thank you for watching.
200 knots, descend to flight level 60, Arabia 757.
Eventually, in the next few games, hopefully,
Expedite climb to level 170.
ay
Emirates
mas
53.
marami ng traffic.
Arabia 2214, to Sharjah International Airport.
And we will also consider yung mag-add ng
Descend to
clouds.
altitude
Nagawa ko na
2000
siya ng
feet,
nakaraan.
red angle 637 Lima. Descend to flight level 60, speed 190, Arabia 2214.
Clouds, for simplicity ng game, hindi ka pwedeng umilalim or umibabaw. So, kailangan mo siyang iwasan. Ganun yung ginawa ng developer ng game na ito. Ayan. Okay, so I think we're good now. Thank you so much.
Emirates 0433, switching to the tower.
Until next time.
Skyjabai 32 Mike, bye. NAS Express 51 Zulu, outbound Al Maktoum International Airport, passing 18 climbing to 3,000 feet, Kilo Uniform Tango Lima India 4 Juliet departure. Climb to flight level 170, NAS.